Coaster Loco, or Logan, and we are on Trimmers. We're going to be talking about coasters on a roller coaster while it's raining. This should be fun. It's very cold out. Let's go. So what? We start talking once the train leaves the shade. Oh, there's rain.
You're gonna see us in pain with the rain.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Dude, the aftershock looks so good.
Good. All right. What was your first time here? What year?
Bro, my first year here, I was terrified of roller coasters.
Best version of the park.
In the park, dive loop. Dive loop. You got sun pilot, bro.
10 out of 10. I think the best version is the 0 one. Best one. Would you undo the retrack on it or keep it?
I would undo retrack.
Alright, most painful coaster.
Most painful coaster.
I think it's tip or tear. The pullout's kind of shit. Oh my god. Those temperamental rides.
That was a lot harder than I expected.
That is running so good.
Hey guys, it's Coast World. Huge shout out to Coaster Loco for helping me with this video. I will be doing this challenge again, and I'm so excited to do more videos like this, challenge videos where I am just having fun with it. So enjoy the rest of your day.